Hello guys.
Hello, sir.
Hello guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. అందరికీ నా వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా? ప్లీజ్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయండి. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please confirm. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. All right. See guys. Last time, what is our topic? Please tell me. What is our topic? Presentation class, right? Today we already discussed about SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities, right? So now it's time to give the presentations. So anyone ready to deliver the presentation on SAP FICO consultant roles? Whatever you know, just speak out for 5 minutes, 2 or 3, 4 minutes. That depends upon you. Just give the presentations. Okay, and we'll move on to the main topics from today onwards. Tomorrow onwards, just to give the presentations what we have learnt. Okay, just to give the presentations. Anyone? I think I already shared, right? How to give the presentation. I shared one document also. So how many people are ready to give presentation on today's topic? I'm good. Thank you, Mohammed. Anyone? Anyone give the presentation? Just to say something about projects, what you have learnt, just to give the draft. 1 or 2 minutes at least. If you speak out, then it would be helpful in real time. Anyone? 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 Please. Okay. If nobody is not interested to give you any presentation, you are in risk. Okay, if you give the presentation, definitely it will helpful in real time. I don't correct anything. Okay, just to say something about project, what you have learnt. That's it. Okay. Okay, someone is giving to presentation. Who shared the screen?
Venkat, sir.
Yeah, Venkat, do you want to give the presentation on this topic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
And
Go ahead.
View my screen, sir.
Okay, no issue. If there is a screen, well, if there is no screen, well, okay. Just to say something about what you have learnt here, just to demonstrate.
Trying to share my screen. Can I able to see it?
Yeah, we are able to see your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, good evening to all. And myself is Venkat Raman from Chennai, and I'm going to roles and responsibilities of S4HANA FICO consultant. And to S4HANA, stand for
Okay.
business suit. Sir, just whatever I remembering, just I'm going to tell, sir. I'm not seeing any notes. Yeah, S for business suit and 4 for 4 generation. And classification of roles and responsibilities is strategy level, operational level, implement level, troubleshoot, and document and maintenance, and MIS support, and end user training. These are the roles and responsibilities of consultant, and strategy level means it's a planning level, and top management they all get together and they will plan the business out how going to go forward. This it's called planning level. Operation level means in operational level they will once like assets, hands-on, and gap analysis and scope. All these documents they will prepare. Assets assets document means uh, it is non SAP document they say, and whatever existing business they're using it comes under assets. Pass and miss whatever this is called SAP.
Okay. Okay, your voice is not audible.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now it's
and yeah, and as soon as current what they're going to do is called as an gap is the difference uh, between the assets and assign. What changes have to do is comes under SAP gap, and
okay.
and scope document means and then they prepare the questionnaire and give to end user. So whatever all questions concerned want to know about a business concern, they will prepare the list of questions and give to end user, and they will give back to us. That is called scope document. After scope document, we need to sign up, and we will start the implementation.
Okay.
In implementation level, we have three implementation level: pre-implementation phase and implementation phase and post-implementation phase. In pre-implementation only the strategy level, operation level will come, and implementation we have state basis level implementation and post level implementation. In basis level, 70% of implement it will complete. In post implementation, it the technical team will come. If you have any configuration, we need to integrate between MMST means we have to do means that technical team will take care, and that's all, sir. That's it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Whatever you learnt, you spoken on that. Okay, anyhow, nice explanation. See, I don't correct anything. See, guys, this is just like demonstration. Whatever you learned, just to speak out. Okay, just like presentation skills. Okay, it's just like presentation skills. It would helpful. Okay, in real time for requirement gathering and for data collection, etc. For that point of view, also this communication is very important, key role. So you guys are already joined to English batch. So just speak out 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, what you have learnt. So everyone attended these classes, right? For the last 4, 5, 6 sessions, know what SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibility. Just to speak out something on the project. Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, I would like to go.
Yeah, please, madam.
Good evening, sir, and hello, everybody. My name is Shifali Hegde, and I am from Mumbai. Today, we're going to talk about SAP S4HANA roles and responsibilities. First of all, SAP is systematic applications and products, and there are different versions of SAP. So from that, S4HANA 2022 is the latest version, which we are going to learn. For that, we have various roles and responsibilities, which includes different steps. The first is a strategic level, operational level, implementation level, troubleshooting, documents and maintenance, and MIS reports. Now we'll just come with briefly about with all the steps. The first one is strategic level. Strategic level means planning, where different uh, uh, what do you say? Different for different for example, we'll have to decide with the things like the logo or the cost will be required for the project, like what the resources, who all consultants will be required for the project from different modules will be decided in the strategic planning. Then what will be the code of conduct, what will be the the what do you say, what will the business process, what will be the there will be an introduction meetings. So this all comes under strategic planning. Next comes R is the operational level. Operational level means the which includes the ASIS to be. ASIS means what is to be included, like what is there, and to be means with the what is actually required for the business. So next is the gap, where we take the help of an ABAP and we tell them what we actually required as per the business requirement. So with that, accordingly, we develop with the help of an ABAP. Then next comes is our implementation level, where after proper strategic planning and operational level, the implementation comes up, which has different servers, which has Sir has explained the system landscape. So accordingly, as per the document, we do the configurations in the implementations requirement in the business. Next is a troubleshooting, means the support project, we can say, where we work on the tickets and we solve it, because in that we give the support to the end users for some months. And again, in this, for specifically for support project, few functional clients and the technical consultants and the functional consultants are recruited, especially for supporting the afterlife projects for the clients. So after implementations, SAP consultants will be required, especially for cross modules and mainly for troubleshooting, for doing various R&Ds and etc. So, as sir also said about the tickets, uh, which are maintained with the specific portal that is called the service now, which is also classified into different priorities like P1, P2, P3, P4, and accordingly that the required consultants has to be assigned to resolve that tickets. And as per the tickets, a different every ticket has got different SLS means a service level agreement, which needs to be resolved as per the time. So each and every priority has different, that is priority levels, that like P1 has a very high priority, then P2 has medium, then P4 has least prioritized. So accordingly, as per a different hours, the tickets need to be resolved as per the priorities. Then comes our if the tickets are not resolved on time, then escalation may arise later on uh, by the business to us. To us means the we as the consultants. So we need to solve different errors, like maybe the configuration errors, the master data errors, like what is said, sir said as the transaction data which we creates, general data. So in that we can get the errors which needs to be resolved in the support project, or maybe the data migration issues which can arise. So these are the types of errors which may arise in the support project. And the next step is the data and maintenance, which is also a very important step. Like as the configuring is done, we need to maintain the document. So like document, like if we have some error, so we need to do some testing. So for doing the testing, we need to upload the document in the portal, so that further if somebody else need to see that document, he can go to that portal and just see whatever the requirements are or any other things. And the last one is the MIS reports. MIS reports also the reports, in that we understand the status of our incidents. So in the month end or the quarterly basis or the year end, we need to create this MIS reports to understand the actual status of the support tickets which has been raised by the end user. So we understand what are the challenges and the time frame will be required. So accordingly, the steps can be taken further. So these are the steps and roles and responsibilities of an SAP consultant. Thank you, sir.
Great. Nice explanation. And ఇంకా ఎవరు చెప్తారండి?
Thank you, sir.
So,
This is Srikanth.
Srikanth, please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all.
Good evening.
This
Good
is
evening.
Srikanth
Go
from
ahead.
Vijayawada.
Yeah.
Sir. Today our topic is SAP consultant roles and responsibilities. Already our friends have discussed the same points. I am also discussing the same point, like strategic level and operation level, implementation level, troubleshooting, documents and maintenance, like MIS and SAP end user training. Okay, coming to strategic level. In the strategic level, attend the kickoff meeting. In the strategic level, we are not doing anything in the like end users roles. In the kickoff meeting, they will explain what is the project cost, what are the logo, like etc. Coming to in operation level, as is information we'll get from the client, like and some of the main point gap analysis report and scope of the document. Core user will do that. Next, coming to list of questionnaires, which data we have to collect from the client, like what are the masters, what are the products, what are the cost centers. Next, profiles, profit center, internal order, activity, that means product prices, like depreciations, transaction data, like depreciation, asset values, and final statements. These are the data. These are the points under cover the operation level document. Coming to implementation level. In implementation level, configuration like testing, data migration, end-to-end testing. These are covered under the implementation level. Coming to troubleshooting. In the troubleshooting, end user will do the after implementation level. Will coming to troubleshooting level. In the troubleshooting, end user will do the will post all transactions like journals, purchase, sales, receipts, and payments. In the process of end user doing entries, some queries have to be raised. Queries list like P1, P2, P3, P4. Which query equal to some time, like P1 it is nearby to 2 hours, like P2 to 6 hours, P3 medium level of query, it is nearby to 3 days. It depends upon situation and the cause and issue. Coming to documents and maintenance, in every stage, document data to be mandatory. It is important to also. Coming to MIS report, like management information report, it is nearby. It is called like day to day, like weekly or monthly. So, as my point of view, this is my understanding, sir. That's it, sir.
Great. Nice efforts. Okay, Jinnat, are you there? Jinnat,
Yeah, yes,
can
I
you say
am.
something on project?
Yes, I can, but my baby is playing, so I apologize
No,
for the sound.
you tried. Okay, I understand some sounds will come from
Yeah,
background. Just try it. Okay.
okay,
Just say
um,
something on the project.
sure. So, as a SAP FICO consultant, um, uh, a consultant typically work within the SAP economy system for helping organization manage their financial and accounting process using SAP software. The role involves a combination of technical expertise and business understanding to help help companies to optimize and achieve their financial goal and the smooth operation of financial system. The key responsibilities of SAP FICO consultant could be system configuration and implementation. Basically, it depends on what kind of project you are in. If you are in implementation project, you have to be involved in system configuration and implementation. If you are in support project, then maybe no configuration may not be required, just to solve the issue according to the system. So it depends. Basically, the responsibility depends on what kind of project you are in. The main core responsibility of SAP FICO consultant could be system configuration and implementation. What I mean by that is to gather the requirement from the business. Business means the party who want to install SAP system in their company. So to gather the information and requirement from them, and according to their needs, to configure their requirement in the SAP system and help them to implement in their company. And and another role could be to assess the business process analysis. For example, analyzing the current situation in the current situation in the company, and I mean, what kind of business process they are in. For example, if they are in SAP system and SAP ECC system, which is old version of SAP is not going to support in future ECC system, and they want to upgrade to S4HANA. So we have to analyze the business process, that what what kind of transaction they are in at this moment in ECC, to convert them to S4HANA, which will be supported by ECC. If they're using any third-party software which is not ECC, what kind of process they're practicing in their company. So those process we have to map them with the SAP FICO system, S4HANA system. And after configuration, we have to test. What for ourselves, that what we have configured, is it working for us or not? So after we test, then we have to assign to the testing team to test our configuration, if it is working or not. If it works perfectly by the testing team, then we have learned that we have system, then we can transfer this configuration to the production system after it is approved by the testing team. And then after it is went to the production, then the implementation will go live. Before it go live, we have to train the user, which is end user, we call in SAP. So we have to train the end user, what is it about, how to use this system, and we have to tell the end user, we have to write a manual in future when we are not there to support them, so they can follow the manual. So the manual is like the screenshot of the full configuration, how they will operate. And we, in the training and support system, we will also monitor how the end user is performing. If everything looks good, if our configuration works successfully in the production system, and the end user also able to use, then it's going to a live system. So when it goes to live system, then if it is the implementation project, our responsibility ends there. But if it is a support project, then we have to keep monitoring alongside with the end user and all kind of user, that what kind of error they are getting. If they're getting any error, what is the priority? So if it is depending on the priority, we have to solve the issues, because we are the one who configured the system. And after that, we have some other roles and responsibilities, like collaborating with other cross-functional team. So as a SAP FICO consultant, so FICO stands for Finance and Controlling. So our responsibility is not limited to FICO, only finance and controlling area. We have to involve in sometimes in SD module or MM module. It doesn't mean that we will work with a MM consultant or SD consultant. It means that there will be some collaboration where all parties will be involved. There will be so in that case, I'm sorry. So I think I have to end there. My baby gone crazy. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Great. Nice explanation. Okay, nice. Yes. Anyone just drop the presentation? Okay, we don't correct today. Okay, after 40 days, I will correct everything. So right now, just to demonstrate what you have learned, what you know, whether it is correct or wrong, just deliver that. Okay. Partha, do you want to discuss? Sadhana, Reddy, Satya Naidu, Sauzanya, Vibin, you will continue. Vibin, are you there?
Sir, I'll present later on, sir.
Okay. Nagasri, Muhammad Hussain, Chandra Naik, anyone? Pavan, Hari Kumar. Okay. So I need presentations, man. Okay. See, so far what we have learned. So we discussed about SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities. And also we discussed about the system landscape. What are the servers in real time? Okay, that we need to work. Okay, server system landscape. And also we discussed about the basic topics. What is SAP? What is S4HANA? Okay, and what is the difference between simple finance, S4HANA Finance? All these discussions are done in the previous classes. Okay, so now you guys need to discuss anything. This is the right time. So please talk what you have learned here. You can say something about projects. Okay, this communication, presentation, whatever it called, it would helpful in real time. And this is the right time. No correction here. Okay, so what, just to say something, just to open up your mouth. That's it. Apart from this, nothing else. I told you everyone should ready with your presentations on the next class. Okay, so I need presentation from everyone. Why? Because without presentation, so we cannot sustain in the real time. So many times we need to connect our client. Okay, and we have to give the presentation on what presentation on taking PPTs and like business process, configuration areas, testing areas, and whatever the requirement is there, that we need to actively participate, and we have to discuss these things. So now How many people will ready to deliver tomorrow? Okay, just share your names in the chat. Just share your names in the chat. How many people will give the presentations by tomorrow? At least I need 5 presentations. After completion of this course also, you have to give the presentations. Okay, after completion of this course also, you have to give the presentation on 5 topics, real-time topics. Okay, I think Partha Saradi is ready to give the demonstration tomorrow. And so yesterday my health was not good. That's the reason I was not taken class. Today also I'm not good. That's the reason I'm asking everyone to give the presentation. So tomorrow, if I'm okay, definitely I will take the class, but expecting presentations from everyone. Okay, because without giving presentation, it would be difficult for you. That's the reason. Okay. I'm okay right now. So that's the reason yeah, I'm expecting something from you. Anyhow, thanks for attending the session. I just want to check how many people are joining today. But anyhow, 20 people already attended, and rest of the people are watching videos and seeing the classes. Okay, anyhow, I need presentations more. Okay, give the presentations. So Muhammad Saradi, Muhammad Saradi, Muhammad ready to give the presentation. And who is giving the next presentation? Give the just draft your name in the chat, please. So Saujanya, Vipin, what about you? Sadhana Reddy, Nagasri, Nagasri, just mention your name in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when we give the presentation tomorrow, just share.
Going to present.
Just to say in the chat, yes. Just put comment in the yes. In the chat. Chandra Naik, what about you? Sai Pavan, are you ready to give the presentation tomorrow? Anil Kumar. I need everyone. Everyone need to give the presentation. Without giving presentation, I don't leave. Okay. I need everyone deliver the content. So everyone got my videos, right? So who joined today class? Who joined today class? Everyone having the videos? Any video is missed out, please let me know and connect to Kadir sir or Babji sir. Okay, so they will give you the sequence of videos. If you not get the videos, you just connect to Kadir sir or Babji sir. They will share you the videos links in the chat. Okay. Okay, see MS Excel classes, this is not by me. This is posted by Kadir sir. Okay, but anyhow, so he will post some videos for your knowledge purpose. There is no need, okay, learning MS Excel course in depth. Okay, the basic MIS reports point of view. MS Excel is basic classes required, basic areas like formulas, pivot table, VLOOKUPs. Okay, those things, if you have good knowledge, that's sufficient. Okay, so many YouTube videos are available in the YouTube, so you can also learn from that areas Excel. But some cases we will provide some videos to you to learn the MS Excel in the chart in Telugu. Okay, most of the classes related to MS Excel only for end users. We are also taking SAP end user classes. For them we are teaching. Okay. For them we are teaching. Okay, for end user point of view, SAP end user point of view, MS Excel is required. Okay, for you, if you know the basic stuff, that's sufficient. Okay, so minimum MS Excel skills are required. Okay, in real time. Okay, that's the reason. So pick any YouTube channel and take the MS Excel classes from there. Okay, so just learn from them, and it is helpful to giving the information to the client if he needs. Got my point? So MS Excel classes also very important to learn. Okay. Okay, all right. This is all about. Okay. So this is all about MS Excel classes. Okay, and any questions if you have, please feel free to ask me. I need everyone to give the demonstration tomorrow. Okay. I need
నాకు ఒక
everyone.
చిన్న డౌట్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు మనము
Yes.
హలో
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు రైట్ నో మనము SAP సర్వర్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా సార్. సర్వర్ కాకుండా ఇంకొకటి కూడా ఐపీ అడ్రస్ అంతకుముందు మీరు డిస్కస్ చేశారు సార్. ఐ థింక్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ క్లాస్. కెన్ యూ షేర్ ద లింక్ సార్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్?
No, it's not the link. Okay, you need to take the server access from the server guy. Okay, the details already shared.
Okay.
If you know that phone number, server
Yes,
details
sir.
already. Okay, please connect to them. Okay, they will give you the access. With my link, you cannot do anything. Okay, with my that link is only applicable to me. Okay, if you need the server access, take the server guy, and so it will they will charge 1,800 for 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So whatever I am using, that is only for me, for my training purpose.
Okay.
I am paying that money to the server guy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this
Right,
is the
sir.
third person. We are not related to them. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you all. Tomorrow, everyone should ready with your presentations and discuss more on the SAP consultant roles and responsibilities. And also, if it is, if we have good time, then we'll discuss about the classes, main classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for your support.
Right, sir.
And
Take care, sir.
Three classes have been completed. Okay, and from tomorrow onwards, everyone should be registered, and please send the payment screenshot to CB and Sheikh Babji ID if you already registered. So if you not send, so we are not considered. Please send your payment screenshot to Sheikh Babji and Sheikh CB ID. Okay. Thank you all for your support, cooperation so far.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Please take care, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Take care, sir. Bye bye.
Right. Good night.